So here I am inside ChatGPT. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a script for me, not just a script on a popular programming language, but a script which is custom to a specific tool. So let's see if ChatGPT can guide me in that direction or not, or the hype which is going on in the entire world is just fake. So let's see how it turns out. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell me a script which I can use within ServiceNow tool, which also uses JavaScript. So how to call a script include from a client script using Ajax. Let's see what happens now. It took a while. Usually it doesn't take much time, but yeah, that's fine. As long as we get the output, I'm good. Whoa. So we have the exact syntax what we use in ServiceNow once we asked a question about this to ChatGPT. So this is very interesting and very useful for the freshers or the new developers who are planning to learn ServiceNow as a tool or planning to learn ServiceNow scripting. Now let's try to jump into other directions as well and see if it is going to work there also or not. So this was specific to ServiceNow. Let's talk about a more generic question related to scripting. So write a program to print stars in circular shape in JavaScript. I'm not sure if we're going to get an answer to this. While the code is loading, here are some facts about ChatGPT. ChatGPT took only 5 days to reach 1 million subscribers because of what it is offering to us, because of the flexibility that you can see. You can ask any questions not related to scripting only, but in a more generic way also. We'll come to that point in a while. So let's copy this code, and I am again going to go back to one of the online compilers, write my code here, and I'll click on run. Looks like something broke. So we did not get an exact answer this time, but yeah, it tried to give us an answer. Maybe it could be an issue with an online compiler. So let's try a different one this time. Yeah, it gives me an exact response which I was looking for. Remember what I asked ChatGPT? I asked about printing stars in circular shape in JavaScript. So there is some issue with this particular compiler, which is on this website program is. But if I go to this compiler, one compiler, this works perfectly fine. Though the shape is not exactly circular, it is more of a cylindrical shape, or maybe oval shape. Yeah, not cylindrical, oval shape. But it tries to give us an exact answer. This code is generated from AI, so there can be some certain possibilities that it might lag in certain areas, and those chances are hardly 1 or 2%, but otherwise it will try to give us the exact solution. And this was all about the programming stuff, which will be helpful for the people who are planning to learn programming and struggling to write a code, though there are several options available online as of today, but this could be one shop moving forward. You never know. The way ChatGPT is evolving, even Google is afraid of ChatGPT. Do you know that? Now, let's try to jump into some other direction. So, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an itinerary for me, and let's see how it turns out. So, people who love to plan before traveling, this is for them. You can also use ChatGPT to create an itinerary for you so that you don't have to put in much efforts. Okay, so the AI that is generating all this text has accumulated all the data, and according to that, it is also suggesting for how many days we should schedule a trip to Jim Corbett and what all we should be doing on all those days. So this is awesome. This is amazing. So even if you're planning to, let's say, write an essay on something or XYZ, anything goes over here. It is really helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.